Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start next lesson of English Grammar class 7. Today we will do some story writing. In our first term we have gone through some stories. We have learned them. But in second term we are going to do the first one. So open your books at page 296. And the moral of the story is Slow and steady wins the race. The title of the story is The Hare and the Tortoise. Now come to the text. It is easier one, but I will read, so it will be comprehensive for you. Once a hare met a tortoise. He began to laugh at him for his slow pace. Pace means speed. The tortoise took it very ill and challenged him to run a race. The hare laughed at the challenge and accepted it. Next day, the race began. The hare ran very fast and left the tortoise far behind. Then he lay under a cool shady tree and took a little rest, but soon fell asleep. The tortoise walked on slowly but steadily and passed the sleeping hare. The hare got up very late. He ran as fast as he could but failed to overtake the tortoise, which had reached the winning post. Winning post is the point which is usually mentioned for winning the race. That tortoise which had reached the winning post before him. The hare was much ashamed and never again made fun of his friend. The moral is slow and steady wins the race. So students, it is easier one and selection of the words is very easy, so you have to learn it by heart. Thank you.